Hi, you got Nick Berry here from Seed Terminator. We're here at Lonsdale headquarters and we're just having a look at our REMAN SmoothFEED 2 system. So what we've got here is our John Deere S Series SmoothFEED 2, but this is actually not a brand new machine, it's a REMAN machine. So I guess what we've found in this economic climate is that we really need to make the most of our machinery dollar spend, and there's been a bit of innovation around how we can take Terminators that are aged and make them new again. And one of the key things that we found with this SmoothFEED 2 upgrade is that we've changed to a serpentine belt system, which you can see here, and it uses one big belt to drive the two mills. And this has got really good track record now and great power transmission. And one of the things that's different about it to the old one is actually the profile of the belt itself. It's a B section profile, not an SPB. And that's meant that the grooves are actually slightly narrower on the belt itself. The original pulleys were SPB, so they were deeper. And what we've been able to do is actually machine down the original SPB profile that are worn and used and turn them into B section profile for our REMAN. So these, although they are brand new looking and they are fully machined again, they actually came from a worn set of pulleys. And that kind of methodology is gone throughout this machine. So it's new and it's got warranty and it's going to work perfectly, but it's actually made from steel that's already been used. You can see that a bit closer up over here. So we have our new pulleys and the REMAN pulleys, and this is a gauge for an SPB. So you'll see here that the original SPB profile looks like that, and the B section is not quite as deep, but it's plenty deep enough for these new SmoothFEED 2 belts. So there is no compromise, and ultimately it's really good for everyone, good for the farmer, good for the environment, and ultimately we just get a great experience from a much lower price point. We see the same here with the fan pulleys, which are cast and a lot more complex. They're balanced. You can see the balancing holes, but the same thing. The profile is not as deep, and because of that, because we're not losing any. We haven't got the depth there, we're not actually losing any material where the stress goes through the pulleys. So this REMAN program is something we're really proud of, and we're working out ways that we can use this as part of our spares as well, and that's all a work in progress. But it is something that we're really proud to present in this climate.